Hi everyone, have you ever seen what is inside a DC motor? Let's open it and understand how it works. This is a DC motor. This is a stator. It has a permanent magnet fixed on the inner body. So this creates a stationary magnetic field. And this is a rotor. The central rotating part has a copper winding. So when the DC current flows through it, the magnetic field is produced. And this is a commutator. The copper segments are attached to the rotor. This helps to reverse the current direction to keep the rotation continuous. And this is brushes. The brushes are carbon blocks that stays in contact with the commutator. So they supply a DC power to the rotating armature. And this is a shaft. This is connected to the rotor and transfer the mechanical motion to the external devices like fan, toys and etc. So when the current flows, the armature experiences the force due to the Fleming left hand rule and it starts rotating. So that's how the electrical energy is converted into a mechanical motion.